Namaste Vidya. I, JV and Nishu Sharma, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Faculty of Education, Methodology, Department of Science and Technology. In previous video, we discussed about the highest paid job in the science field. So now in this video, we discuss the highest paid job in the science field in many sectors. So first one is the machine learning engineer. Basically, machine learning engineer are those experts who work under the broad umbrella of data science, that is called an artificial intelligence. They are sophisticated engineer, that means that is are very experienced who specialize in machine learning. So basically their primary job responsibility is to design and develop intelligent machine and system that can perform human like tasks with minimal human intervention. Taking the role of machine learning engineer is the one of the highest paid job in the India in science field. So they develop advanced ML algorithm to teach computer to learn from experience. Essentially, machine learning engineers build self-learning software to automate predictive model. So with each performance, the machine learn from the result and then perform future operation with a higher degree of accuracy. Machine learning engineers work closely with data scientists to define the norms of engagement of large data sets, find insight from them and communicate the finding to important stakeholder. So what are the basic requirement for the machine learning engineers? Must be proficient in mathematics, statistics and the computer as well as computer science. So apart from this, ML engineer must well versed with data modeling and evaluation and data design. Also, they must have a knack in programming in multiple languages like C, C++, Java, Python, R, Perl, Scala, and many more to name a few. The more skills and experience they have, the more salary machine learning engineers receive. So, what are the skill requirement for the for making an successful machine learning engineer? So first one is applied mathematics programming, third neural network architecture, data modeling and evaluation, advanced signal processing, natural language processing, reinforcement learning. So these are the skill which is basic necessary for the machine learning engineer. Then how many salary they get after the these completion of these skills? So the demand for machine learning is a very high, but in companies require individuals to have that the correct skill set. The demand for these engineers are always high, but the list is endless. That's the reason, that is the primary reason machine learning salary in India is quite high, the ever increasing demand. Additionally, the better the experience, the higher is the salary. The average machine salary in India, according to the pay scale, is approximately 6,86,281 per year, inclusive of bonus and profit sharing, which made this one of the highest paying science job. So if you are interested to learn more about machine learning, check out IITB Upgrades PG Diploma in Machine Learning and AI, which is designed for working professional and offers 450 plus hour of rigorous training, 30 plus case studies and assignment. IITB alumni stars status, 5 plus practical hand on capstone project and job assistant with top firms. Now we discuss the data scientist skills and the data scientist packages. So what is the data scientist? So data scientists are the highly expert professional whose primary aim to create value out of the large and complex data set. So they are data wizard and who collect vast volume of data from the disparate source on a daily basis. So after gathering the data, data scientists clean, organize and process the data for analysis purpose to uncover the hidden patterns in the data. So once the insights are interpreted, data scientists use these insights to develop actionable solution for wide range of business challenge. So it is one of the highest paying science job in the India. So basically, the role of data scientist is an alliance of many traditional scientific and technical roles like mathematicians, statisticians, scientists, and IT professionals. So hence, data scientists are well versed in data science, computer science, engineering, mathematics, and statistics. The data scientist for making a data scientist successful, you have to achieve some completion of skills like mathematics and static, machine learning, programming, data wrangling, data visualization and communication, software engineering, business analytics. um, The salary, according to the salary, database, scientific salary range in India is, the average data scientist salary is 7 lakh 8,012. An entry level data scientist can earn around 50,000 5 lakh per annum with less than 1 year of experience. Early level data scientists with 1 to 4 year experience get around 6,10,811 per annum, which made this one of the highest paid job in India in science field. A mid-level data scientist with 5 to 9 year experience earn 1 crore 4,082 per annum in India. As your experience and skill grow, your earning rise dramatically as senior level data scientist around more than 1 crore 7 lakh thousand a year in India. So if you're curious to learn about data science, check out IITB and upgrade PG diploma in data science, which is created for working professional and offers 10 plus case study in projects. And third one is our data analyst. So just like data scientists, our data analysts also collect and process large volume of data. Data analysts combine the best of both worlds, like business and IT. They perform statistical analysis on the data to find out how the data can be used to solve problems. Essentially, data analysts accumulate, clean, organize, and interpret statistical data to create business value. And this is the demand make this one of the highest paying science job in India. So, according to the two of the most pivotal duties of data analyst are data analysis and the data visualization. Data analysts not only have to find valuable insight within the large data set, but they must also visualize these findings in various form of visual, written and verbal presentation. So what are the basic skill required for data analysis? So first one, you have to complete your programming, statics, business acumen, computer science, business intelligence, data visualization, data warehousing, data mining, cleaning, and mugging. So what is the basic salary for a data analyst in India having 1 to 4 years of experience? Has a gross earning including days, bonus, and overtime pay, like approx 3 crore 96 9 lakh 6,128. While a mid career data analyst with 5 to 9 year experience can make to 6 crore 3,120 based on the organization and the location of the working place. And if you are mature and experienced data analyst who has been in the industry or 10 to 19 years, you can earn an average total compensation like 9 crore, which makes this one of the highest paid job in India in the science field. The next one is full stack developer. So full stack developer are those programmers who are well versed in front as well as back end coding and design of website and software application. So they are not only creating their blueprints for the user interface, like the site with which user interact, that control the look and feel of application, but they also build the backend of the application that control the program logic and the server database interaction. So it is one of the best career in the science stream job which can give you a financial security. uh, it is one of the best career in the science stream job which can give you financial security. Candidates who possess the key that is desired to master multiple technology and programming languages perfectly suited for the role of a full stack developer. So what are the basic skills required for full stack developer in India? So first one is HTML, CSS, JavaScript coding, application for architecture design, database and web architecture, version control system, API knowledge. API knowledge means REST and SOAP, technical writing, project management. These all are the skills which is very essential for making a full stack developer in India. So now it's turn. What is the salary for the full stack developer salary in India? That is confidently stated that the full stack developer salary in India is lucrative. On average they earn like Indian rupees 6 crore 23 lakh 920 per annum. So the entry level full stack engineers having less than one experience can earn around Indian rupees 3 crore 75 lakh per annum. So whereas those having 1 to 4 years of work experience making nearly 5 crore 46,104 per annum. So which made this one of the highest paid job in India in the science field. The next one is the blockchain developer. So, as the name suggests, blockchain developer are the software program who are expert in blockchain technology. So, this is the primary responsibility to develop and optimize blockchain protocol. The design and the architecture of the blockchain system is to develop smart contracts and blockchain web application. So blockchain developers surprise the blockchain development lifecycle, which include research, analysis, design, testing, and execution. They write blockchain code in the language like Simplicity, Solidity, Golang, JavaScript, and C++. They use the programming language to create interface features and architecture for different blockchains. These are used for designing and set up the necessary security measure to protect the integrity of blockchain system, and demand for the blockchain developer make this job one of the highest paying science job in India. So, what are the basic requirement for making a blockchain system, like coding, cryptography, software development, peer-to-peer network, distributed ledger, blockchain security, data structure, and algorithm. So, basically called as the DSA. According to the pay scale, the average annual salary of blockchain developer in India is 5 lakh 89,580, and it is the easily one of the highest paid job in India in science field as usually. The salary scale of the blockchain job is very high since there is a serious storage of skill and qualified professional in the India. So companies pay high salary to deserving candidate with the right skill, while the starting salary is 5 lakh per annum. So it can also go as a high as a 45 lakh per annum, which make this one of the highest paid job in India in the science field. What is a big data engineer? So big data engineer are the developer who specialize in big data tools, frameworks, and technology. They design, they build, they maintain, they test, and they implement big data solution for companies and organizations. So basically, the big data engineer are to develop large scale data processing system, which is using for various big data tools like Hadoop, Spark, Cassandra, MongoDB, and MapReduce, and among others. So they also collect, analyze, and create detailed report on the data which is flowing to and from the company. So big data engineers offer valuable insight into the hardware, software, and the data infrastructure of a company to ensure the efficient use of the data. So they have to write detailed database documentation, including data definition, including standard and the procedure to create a data dictionary. So the bottom line, for a big data engineer are responsible for maintaining and managing the complete data infrastructure of a company. So the basic skill for required are big data framework, SQL and NoSQL, SQL plus, machine learning, data mining, data visualization, statistical and the quantitative analysis, and the general purpose programming language. So basically salary. So first we check the Glassdoor static. The average annual salary of big data engineer in India is 7 crore 46,000 approx, for yearly remuneration for 3.5 to 6 lakh per annum, and experience can anywhere between 8.5 to 12 lakh per annum, uh, and over 10 year of experience usually earn 15 to 30 lakh per annum. So this is the highest paid job in India in the science field. The last and the least is database administrator. The administrator have come to play an important role in the industry. They are expert computer system administrator responsible for maintaining a safe and secure database environment by supervising and performing data security tasks. So while there are primary responsibilities to maintain data integrity, database administrator also maintain company database like monitor database, software purchase, handling database, and oversee upgrade of existing software product. So what are the skills for required for successful database administrator? So that are the database theory, database queries, database design, RDBMS, SQL operating system, and storage technological and networking. So what is the average annual salary of database administration in India is 8 lakh 55,000 17 lakh per annum, and entry level database administrator can around 2.5 to 3.8 lakh per annum. About 4 years of experience, the database administrator can earn anywhere between 4.5 to 6.6 lakh. So according to the 9 to 8 year of ranges like 7 to 10, and the 10 to 15 over experiences 15 to 20. So that's it. This is the basic knowledge about the highest paid job and highest paid salary in India in the field of science sector. So if you have any query, any doubt, then message me on the comment box. Thank you for watching. This session is powered by Digital Vision 2.0, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you.